Hello children, let us work out the next case-based study, that is RSPL 3 28th question. This is based on coordinate geometry. So a park is designed in the form of a circle and the center of the circle is at this point, the center is, and the entry gate is shown as at A. So the question over here is, consider the coordinates of fountain center, that is O, I have already written here, 2a minus 1 comma 7, and coordinates at the point A, that is entry gate, is minus 3 and minus 1. So let us check how the question goes in. Answer the following based on the above. If radius of the circle is 10 units, then possible values of A are, okay, if radius is 10, fine. So here this is taken as 10 units. OA and OB also will be 10 because that is a, so if I start OA is equal to, O is 2a minus 1 comma 7 and A is minus 3 minus 1. So by using distance formula, square root of, we can take here, I will start from 2a minus 1, minus of minus 3 will be plus 3 whole square, 7 plus 7 minus of minus 1, 7 plus 1 whole square. So OA here is 10, we will square both the sides so that we get rid of the square root, so that we get here 2a plus 2 whole square plus 8 whole square. So 100, we see a binomial formula, 4a square plus 4 plus 2 into a into b. So 2 into 2a into 2 will be 8a plus 64. So we are getting a quadratic equation plus 8a. So then we have here 64 plus 68, 68 minus 100 equal to 0. So 4a square plus 8a minus, how much do we get here? 32 equal to 0. So let us take 4 common out. So it will be a square plus 2a minus 4 8 times. Yeah. So by splitting middle term, what are the values you get? A square plus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. For 8 we get a square plus 4a minus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. So when you factorize, you get a plus 4 and a minus 2 equal to 0. So a can be minus 4 or a is equal to plus 2. So let us check the values. Okay, so here both are given. So a is minus 4 and plus 2. Next, if distance AB is, okay, we have to find out distance AB. Going back to this one, so here we don't know the coordinates of B, but how do we find out? That also is a problem. But if I join here this point AB, we can see that it forms a right angle triangle, that too isosceles right triangle with these two sides are equal. So even you can work out AB square equal to, but it is known that it will be root 2 times of the side of the other thing. So if both are 10, 10 root 2. If this is 20, 20, then 20 root 2, that way. So you can save your time in this case. But here this is a lengthy question according to me. It is 10 root 2. Next one is, if consider point A lie on x-axis, then what is the possible value of x of A? Take a small a, that variable to be 2. So check out, imagine that this is on x-axis, instead of minus 3 and minus 1, if it is on x-axis, the coordinate would be x comma 0. This we all know. So I have worked out, just not for the video will be long if I start working everything here. So x point will be, coordinate will be on x-axis, a is x comma 0 and center is 2a minus 1 7. It is the same thing. Here they ask a to be taken as 2, so I have substituted a as 2. So O coordinate center we get it as 3 comma 7. Now find the distance formula between these two, that we know OA is 10, so I have squared it to get rid of the square root. It becomes 100. 3 minus, that is 3 minus x whole square, 7 minus 0, ax2 minus x1 whole square, distance formula. So you come up to this again a quadratic equation after solving. Then I don't have time to find out whether the factors are there as in, so directly take out the formula method to avoid time consumption. So we will take out, it will be 6b plus b square minus 4ac. You get it this way. So final answer, you get 3 plus or minus 51. If consider a point B, now instead of A, they have taken point B to be on y-axis. The coordinates will be 0, y, and center will be 3, 7, because A they told us to take again 2. So this remains same. Again use distance formula between OB. OB is again a radius. So I have taken here 100, squaring both the sides in this case. So you come up to this value here. Factorize again or directly use formula. I don't think it will take up time for you to factorize with the factors. So here this will be 7 plus or minus 91, you will get it. Do work out, children. I have left it here with the quadratic equation for you all. Now AOB forms a isosceles right triangle. We have already seen that. Hope you all understood this. Do work out. If at all even the lengthy question is there, but it will run down to your known concept. Here we are using only distance formula. Okay, bye.